Here are the top 10 reasons why CEOs need a virtual assistant. In no particular order, the first is email management. Inboxes suck our time and our energy and attention, but a virtual assistant can come in and actually look through your email correspondence. They can filter out junk messages. They can create a system where you access your inbox and see folders of non-urgent emails versus a folder full of urgent, needs attention emails. Having somebody filter or create a system where you are not going through and drudging through all the junk before you get to an important email is a critical part of time management. It's going to free up a lot of your time. It's going to free up a lot of your brain space. Heck, you can even ask a virtual assistant to start an initial draft or write emails on your behalf, particularly if they have really strong writing skills. Number 2, calendar management. You can delegate things like setting up meetings, setting up phone calls, popping things on the calendar. If you're running late at an appointment or a meeting, tell your VA, and your VA will inform the rest of your meetings for the day and move things around. You will no longer have to worry about frantically canceling moving appointments, or if somebody cancels on you, your VA is there to take care of that back and forth correspondence. Once again, freeing up a lot of time for you to just focus on making money. Number 3, managing your LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn functions like any other algorithm these days. The platform wants you to spend more time on LinkedIn. If you are to delegate LinkedIn management to your virtual assistant, they can create posts once a day. They can be responding to people's comments. They can be sending or going through your LinkedIn inbox and flagging potentially important or money-making opportunities for you. Number 4, travel. Now, taking care of logistics for a business trip from start to finish is super time-consuming. No doubt you know that if you have ever had to research your own flights, find the most competitive car service or car rental or hotel rates or Airbnb rates, whatever it is, you can delegate these to a virtual assistant so that you can focus on being prepared and well-rested whilst on your business trips. Number 5, research. We all love research. If you are a CEO, chances are you have competitors, whether you are selling a digital product or a service, or you're a coach. Maybe there are times you need to research who are your competitors, what are they doing, what are they doing better than you, how can you stand out from the crowd differently? Or maybe you're taking a meeting, maybe you're pitching a service as a startup, and you need to know or have some deep research on the founders that you are pitching to. And you need to have some research on the VCs that you're pitching to. Your assistant can gather background information, can gather things like their thesis. Who do they currently invest with? How much do they typically invest in? What are their personal interests? These are all great things to delegate and all great things that help you, once again, make more money. Number 6, lead generation. This is somewhat related to research, but lead generation is a great one for any business owner who has a service to sell and you need more customers in your pipeline. But when you find the right VA who really understands the intricacies of your business, you can often ask them to set up a lead generation pipeline where they could go do the research to find people who are potential good fits for your business. Whether you turn this into a cold outreach email, or you feed them into some sort of CRM or pipeline, that's on you. But your assistant can be a great first place to start gathering some of this lead gen. Number 7, your personal admin. Of course, this kind of goes without saying, but you can absolutely delegate personal type tasks to your VA as well. So if you are busy on the day-to-day and you have a family or a significant other, or you need to get gifts for friends or research the best paint, exterior paint for your house, a VA can handle those things for you. They can look up reviews, they can vet good vendors, they can make recommendations to you for things like vendors to come fix your homes or best places to go on dinner dates. Whatever it is you need, your VA can be handling that for you. Number 8, file management. This is definitely a good one, especially if you are not a particularly organized person in the back office type stuff. And that's okay, not everyone is. But you can hire a VA to do things like recommend new file management systems or create a management system that makes more sense. maybe you use Dropbox, maybe you've had Box for years, or even Google Suites, and or Google Drive, and you've been in business for 10 years and all of a sudden your contracts are everywhere and old invoices are just floating in your drive. You can ask somebody to organize that in a systemic way, easy to find, with folders nested under other folders. Number 10, I'm going to call this one a hybrid of social media maintenance and customer service. Now, I say maintenance and not management because those are two different things. If you are hiring a social media manager, you are hiring somebody with a specified skill set who can write content, who understands analytics, who knows how to grow and foster communities. Whereas most VAs can do social media maintenance. That is, they can update, they can tweet content that you've pre-written, they can repurpose content where if you have old tweets, they can set those up as new tweets. They can actually set those up as Facebook posts or LinkedIn posts. They can repurpose some of that content while managing the replies, while working through some of the customer inquiries on social media. And in that sense, it's kind of a customer relations type thing. They can flag comments or questions about your business or services that you need to attend to. These 10 items that we've just covered in this video are just scratching the surface of what a virtual assistant could do for you. Ultimately, though, I hope it's very clear that a virtual assistant isn't necessarily just someone who's there to do rote tasks for you. It is somebody who can be a valued and trusted partner for your business. It's somebody who can take care of so much of the background stuff that it really frees up a lot of your brain space and time to do the most important things for your business. And that's focus on the things that lead to your greatest return on investment, whether that's acquiring new customers, whether that's scaling your business, whether that's working face-to-face with your customers. Having a VA is like having an executive assistant. It's somebody who can be there with you to grow with your business and somebody who can help you succeed much faster than you could on your own. So hopefully this was a helpful video. If you guys have any questions about your business or how a virtual assistant can assist your specific business, leave me a comment in the videos. I always do my best to get to them in a timely manner. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. I will catch you on the next one.